Okay, right now we're 48 feet 1 inches from the old riser. That appears to be a crack on the right side of the screen in that gas pipe. It's a 2-inch, looks like a 90 under a tree. That appears to be a crack. Okay, here we're about 29 feet away from the riser, and we're coming across that repair. Somebody's made a repair here. You see PVC glue inside this gas pipe, which isn't really legal, I don't believe. Here's the other end of the repair. And we'll pull back through to another repair. Okay, here's the second repair we found in this 2-inch gas plastic pipe. There's the old pipe. Here's the repair. And there's your PVC glue again, which that's not legal. Here's another repair coming up where they used some PVC glue in there. And a 90 riser coming up. It's just not a true riser, it's a PVC pipe.